Hey puddings! Today at the video, I'm gonna be doing the makeup tutorial for my Harley Quinn Arkham City cosplay. That's not a makeup I usually use because I prefer something more sweetie and girly, but I think it's so pretty. Soon here at the channel there will be the part 2 where I show you how to make the hairstyle and all about the outfit too. Come on board to play with me, squad! I'd start preparing my skin with my favorite moisturizing for a fantabulous glow and the primer too to blur the imperfections. I'm mixing artist makeup with my foundation and applying it with a cat's tongue brush in all the face. I love to set my makeup with a talc, but this time I'm using a powder. My eyebrow pen and an color mascara to defining that as well. Firstly, let's to put on the concealer at the highlight, and after that a medium brow eyeshadow to create a base for the eyes. Don't forget to apply this one closing to the bottom lashes too. And now full of black eyeshadow in all the highlights. With a dark brown eyeshadow to polish for a perfect smoky eyes. And again, let's return with the medium brow eyeshadow to finish this out. A little bit of shade and lashes time, doll eye mascara, I love it! with the red lipstick, of course, guys. That's all, puddings. Tell me here below in the comments if you have any doubts about the tutorial and what do you think about my makeup. And if you want to be part of my Puddins squad, don't forget to subscribe here the channel and like the videos. I hope I see you at the next video. Kiss ya, puddings.